If you're over 60 and noticing your strength fading, your balance slipping, or your muscles shrinking, it's not just aging, it's sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle. But here's the good news. Science proves you can reverse it. Today, I'll show you the 4 only exercises you need to fight sarcopenia, rebuild strength, and feel years younger. Stick with me, because each move comes with powerful benefits that science says can literally slow down aging. Let's start strong with push-ups. Push-ups are one of the simplest yet most powerful anti-aging exercises. Studies in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research show push-ups activate over 200 muscles at once, rebuilding your chest, arms, shoulders, and core. This matters because sarcopenia often weakens the upper body first, making daily tasks like lifting groceries or even getting out of bed harder. Push-ups increase lean muscle, improve circulation, boost bone density, and trigger growth hormone production, your body's natural anti-aging repair system. The result? More strength, better posture, and a younger, more capable body. How to do it? Place hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line. Inhale as you lower slowly. Exhale as you push up strongly. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. If it feels tough, begin with wall or incline push-ups. Over time, this one move alone can rebuild lost muscle and restore independence. Next up, lunges for balance and strength. According to Harvard Health, strong legs are one of the clearest predictors of living longer and staying independent. Sarcopenia hits the quads and glutes hard, which means weak legs, poor balance, and higher risk of falls. Lunges directly target these areas, helping you move with confidence again. Lunges build lower body strength, improve coordination, and train balance by working one leg at a time. Science shows this reduces fall risk dramatically, a critical factor since falls are a leading cause of injury after 60. How to do it? Step forward with one leg. Lower until both knees form 90-degree angles. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you rise back up. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Lunges restore stability, keep your legs youthful, and give you the strength to walk, climb stairs, and live actively. Now, the king of exercises, squats. Squats are the king of all exercises, especially for reversing sarcopenia. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows squats activate the largest muscle groups: quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your core. This stimulation triggers myokines, special proteins that slow inflammation, boost metabolism, and protect your brain and heart. Squats improve mobility, rebuild lower body muscle, and strengthen your bones against osteoporosis. They also mimic real-life movements like sitting and standing, so every squat makes daily life easier and safer. To do squat perfectly, stand with feet shoulder width, chest tall, core tight. Inhale as you lower like sitting into a chair. Exhale as you push through your heels to rise. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps within weeks. Squats will make you stronger, steadier, and more energized. Finally, plank, your secret weapon against aging. The plank is the secret weapon against aging because it strengthens your core, the foundation of your entire body. Weak core muscles are linked to back pain, poor posture, and higher fall risk. The National Institute on Aging highlights that core training like planks improves balance, stability, and overall movement efficiency. Planks strengthen not only your abs but also your back, shoulders, and glutes, creating a shield against injuries. They improve posture, protect your spine, and build endurance that keeps you active and independent. How to do it? Rest on your forearms with elbows under shoulders. Keep your body straight. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale steadily through the mouth, bracing your core tight. Hold 20 to 40 seconds for 3 rounds. Over time, planks give you a solid, upright posture and stronger foundation for every movement. Here's the truth. Sarcopenia doesn't mean weakness is your future. With these 4 exercises, you're not just exercising, you're reversing muscle loss, rebuilding strength, and slowing aging at its root. Each rep is literally adding years of energy, confidence, and independence to your life. It's never too late to start. Your 60s, 70s, even 80s can still be strong years if you take action today. These 4 simple exercises are the only way to reverse sarcopenia and move through life with power, stability, and strength.